I like the way you shake that thing.
What's up, mommy? yeah, I'm J-Red. Yeah, I was feeling the way you was doing your thing out there on the floor, you know what I'm saying? You're the hottest chick up in this piece. On some real talk though, what's up for later on tonight?
Just wanna know if I can get along with you tonight, babe. Tonight, girl. I just wanna know if I can get on with you tonight, babe. What's the dealie with you, baby love? Girl, you got a sexy way about yourself. A sexy way about yourself. The way that you're freaking it, girl, it makes me wanna do them things to you in every way, every day. Said I'm checking you out. Baby, your body is calling me. Your body is stalking me. Oh, baby, you know. And I just wanna get down with you, baby. So come on. Just wanna know. Tonight. I just wanna get it on with you, baby. Tonight. I just wanna get it. You got that look on the real, perfect body measurements, girl. I can't help myself. The way that you rockin' them heels and your caramel complexion, girl. I wanna taste you, girl, taste it, girl. Girl, I'm checking you out. Said I'm checking you out.